From ancient evidence to modern sightings, these are Megalodon sightings in the Pacific Ocean that left scientists speechless. Starting off this list in our number 10 spot, we have the unmistakable tooth. In the serene depths of the Mariana Trench, a group of marine biologists stumbled upon a giant shark tooth embedded in the seabed. This wasn't just any shark tooth, its size and characteristics were eerily similar to that of the ancient Megalodon. The discovery left the scientific community in awe, questioning if the giant predator could still be lurking in the unexplored territories of the ocean. In our number 9 spot today, we have the mysterious sonar blip. On a routine research mission, a sonar device picked up an unusually large object moving very swiftly through the water. The size and speed of the object didn't match any known marine creatures, leading some to speculate that it could be a living Megalodon. Though no visual confirmation was made, the data collected continues to baffle experts today. In our number 8 spot today, we have the Phantom Shadow. A deep-sea submersible captured a fleeting image of a massive shadow on the ocean floor. The shadow was far larger than any known shark species, and its appearance closely matched descriptions of the ancient Megalodon. Scientists are divided on the interpretation, but the image has fueled ongoing debates and discussions. What do you think it could be? In our number 7 spot today, we have the disappearing whale carcass. A satellite-tagged whale carcass intended to study deep-sea scavengers mysteriously disappeared. When the tracking device was finally located, it was found miles away from the original site, with marks suggesting it had been bitten by an enormous predator. The size of the bite marks left scientists absolutely speechless, as they were too large to belong to any known species of shark. Could this be proof that the Megalodon does in fact live in the Pacific Ocean? In our number 6 spot today, we have the ancient hunting grounds. Researchers discovered an area of the Pacific Ocean with an unusually high number of large shark teeth scattered across the seabed. The area appears to be an ancient hunting ground, and the size along with the age of the teeth suggest that Megalodon once dominated these waters. The site offers invaluable insight into the life and habitats of this prehistoric predator, and I think we can all be grateful that none of us were traveling on the Pacific Ocean when the Megalodon was in charge. In our number 5 spot today, we have the unprecedented attack. A remotely operated vehicle, also known as an ROV, was attacked while exploring deep-sea trenches. The damage to the ROV was extensive, with bite marks indicating a predator of massive proportions. While the attacker wasn't seen, the size and shape of the bite marks have led some scientists to entertain the possibility of a surviving Megalodon. In our number 4 spot today, we have the Deep Sea Echo. An underwater microphone picked up a series of low-frequency sounds in the Pacific Ocean, unlike anything ever recorded before. Some researchers believe these sounds could be the echolocation of a large shark, potentially a Megalodon. The hypothesis remains controversial, but the audio recordings have certainly left the scientific community very intrigued as to what it could be. In our number 3 spot today, we have the gigantic vertebrae. During a deep-sea expedition, scientists discovered a gigantic vertebral column resting on the ocean floor. The vertebrae are far larger than those of any known shark species, suggesting a predator of a monumental size. The discovery has reignited discussions about the possibility of Megalodon's existence in modern times. In our number 2 spot today, we have the sudden disappearance. Multiple reports have surfaced of large sharks suddenly disappearing from tracking devices, only to reappear days later, miles away. The phenomena have baffled scientists, with some speculating that perhaps a large predator, something like a Megalodon, could be responsible for these disappearances. And finally, in our number 1 spot today, we have the eyewitness accounts. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, numerous eyewitness accounts from fishermen and sailors describe encounters with gigantic sharks in the Pacific Ocean. These stories, passed down through generations, continue to captivate the imagination and leave us wondering about the mysteries lurking in the depths of the ocean. In conclusion, while there is no definitive proof that Megalodon still roams the Pacific Ocean, these very intriguing incidents and discoveries have certainly left the scientific community speechless, and the rest of us absolutely fascinated by the mysteries of the deep sea.